Most people dream of getting a higher salary. They believe more income automatically means a better life, but one man discovered that earning more can sometimes make you poorer. This is Rahul's story. Rahul was 27 years old. He worked as a software engineer. He lived a simple life. He dreamed of buying a better car, a bigger apartment, and giving his parents a comfortable future. One Friday evening, his manager called him into the cabin. Rahul felt nervous. Then his manager smiled. "Congratulations, your salary has increased by 30,000 rupees per month." Rahul couldn't believe it. He thanked his manager. He called his parents immediately. Everyone was excited. He thought life was finally changing. The very next weekend, Rahul bought the latest smartphone. His old phone still worked perfectly, but he felt he deserved an upgrade. Soon, he moved into a more expensive apartment. He bought new furniture, a larger television, and upgraded almost everything. Food delivery became normal. Online shopping became weekly. Weekend outings became expensive. Each expense looked small, but together, they changed everything. His credit card bill kept increasing. Monthly expenses rose faster than his salary. Rahul didn't notice until one evening. He opened his banking app. His salary had increased, but his savings had almost disappeared. He felt shocked. Rahul asked himself, where did all the money go? He earned more, but somehow he had less. The answer wasn't his salary. The problem was lifestyle inflation. Every time his income increased, his spending increased too. Rahul decided to change. He created a monthly budget. He tracked every expense and stopped buying things just to impress others. Before spending, Rahul started saving first. He invested regularly, even small amounts. Slowly, his wealth began to grow. Months later, Rahul noticed something different. His investments were growing. His stress was falling. His confidence returned. For the first time, Rahul realized, wealth isn't about earning more. It's about keeping more and making your money work for you. Rahul learned 3 lessons that completely changed the way he managed money. Lesson 1, always spend less than you earn. Lesson 2, save your money first before you spend it. And Lesson 3, invest consistently. Because wealth isn't built overnight, it's built through small, smart decisions made every single month. A bigger salary will never guarantee wealth. Your habits will. Start small, stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Money Decoded and join us every Sunday for another real-life money lesson.